What is going on, everyone? Welcome to what is going to be one of my first unboxing videos on the new channel. We're going to be unboxing the Rapido 15XX number 1501 with DCC sound today. So, quick backstory, this loco has quite a lot of sentimental value to me. My late father, he absolutely loved this loco, and unfortunately he never got to see the completed model. So this video goes out to my dad, and yeah, let's have a look at the model. And here we have it, the Rapido 15XX number 1501 with DCC sound, factory fitted. So I'm filming this upside down at the moment just because of space limitations, and yes, I've put a towel on the desk just to make it a bit, well, it's a brown desk, so white-ish works a bit better. So yeah, pretty standard box. We got a drawing of the locomotive on the front, and then a bit about Rapido just here, and then yeah, so that's really it for the box. We're going to get that out of the way, so we'll open this up, and on the top we have our Rapido trains owner's manual, which goes through the sound functions, bit of history, how to fit the detailing packs, fit decoders, and then we got our sound functions just there, and a couple of nice little pictures of the front and back. So we'll pop that away for now, and time for the real reveal. We'll get rid of our nice foam cover here, bring that around. As you can see, it's all foam packaging, so it's nice, secure. I'll grab that out of there, and already there's a lot of weight there, which is, it's a good sign. So it's a predominantly die cast body. So on the top we have our little detailing pack. So let me move that out of the way. Camera, will you focus? No? Okay, right, so we've got our detailing pack there, which includes things like the vacuum pipes, brake pipes, shovel, couplings and things like that. Put that to one side for now, and on to the main reveal. This has been a long time coming for me, and hopefully it performs really well. So we'll get this open, move our little foam protective pieces out of the way, move the packaging out of the way, and here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. 15XX number 1501, straight out of the box, as preserved in lined black. Up until January of this year, you could see this locomotive in action on the Severn Valley Railway. It's currently out of service for a full overhaul, so it might be a while before we actually get to see the real thing again. But straight out of the box, it weighs a ton, being die cast, so with some luck we get some decent pulling power. We have a fully detailed cab, which you're probably not going to be able to see, just because the lighting at the moment is quite poor, so that's on my end. But the overall look of the locomotive, when the camera decides to focus, right here please, yep, right there, come on, there we go. It's just phenomenal. It's such a nice piece of kit. It's unreal. I gotta remember, I'm filming upside down, so I have to show you the right way around. So there we are. So I'm gonna go get this running on the layout, get it running, and then we'll film some sample videos. So again, I'm not really good with these type of videos, so without further ado, let's get to the part you've all come for. And there we have it, Rapido's 15XX number 1501 as preserved in BR lined black with DCC sound. Now, again, as I said at the start of the video, this particular locomotive, it does have quite a lot of sentimental value to me. But overall, I think Rapido have done an absolutely amazing job. And they've certainly filled a gap in the market. So before this release, as far as I'm aware, you'd only be able to get a locomotive like 1501 as a kit, really, that you'd have to put together yourself. I could be wrong, they could have been produced long before my time, I don't know. But overall, Rapido have done an absolutely amazing job, and I can't wait to see what they bring to us next.